welcome back to Clumsy Cakes. My name's Amy. So today I'm very excited because I'm going to be showing you a dessert that I've been making for years. I call it an Oreo pudding cake, but it goes by many different names. Some people call it a dessert lasagna, or an Oreo casserole, or some people even call it a mud pie. But no matter what you call it, this dessert is absolutely delicious, and I can't wait to show you how to make it. So let's get started.
So we're going to get started right away with some Oreos. The cool thing too is I've seen so many different variations of this recipe. A lot of people use different kinds of Oreos. For example, the mint ones, and then they will use like a minty pudding, and then put some Thin Mints in there. That looks amazing. I've never tried it, but that looks amazing. And the reason I'm crushing these up with my meat tenderizer as opposed to a food processor is because I really want some irregular pieces. I want some big, some small, for some texture. So we have those all set. Okay, so now it's time to assemble. I have my cookie crumbs, my Cool Whip cream cheese mixture, and my instant pudding mix that I just whipped according to package instructions. It was just 3 cups of milk and 2 packages of the instant pudding mix. I usually use the Jello, but this time around I could not find it, so I just used Royal chocolate pudding mix. Can be a little bit difficult to spread, so just keep that in mind, be patient with it. This does not have to be perfect. And to top it off, I'm just going to take a few more Oreos, crushed up. And sprinkle them on the top. Alright, so now I'm just going to cover this and put it in the fridge for about an hour before I eat it, just to get it all chilled and so that the flavors can just come together.
Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you learned something, please give it a like down below. And subscribe to the channel if you'd like to learn more things, make more messes, and make some absolutely delicious desserts with me. Thanks guys, bye!